Hello, welcome to English 10B Unit 6, audio lecture number 8, and we are going to consider grammar. This is Miss Amador, your teacher, so welcome. So let's first start off with a quick summary of the contents of A Dead Man's Pocket, which we read. There's lots of suspense, lots of twists and turns with what we expected to happen. Here, just go ahead and follow along with me as I read, and you're going to notice something sounding really strange. In Contents of the Dead Man's Pocket, Tom Benecke climbs out onto a narrow window ledge to retrieve a piece of paper. This paper includes all the research that Tom has done on Tom's quest to get a promotion at work. While Tom's creeping toward the paper, the window closes behind Tom. When Tom finally gets a hold of the paper, Tom realizes that it's worthless. Did that sound strange? Who is the main character of this story? Who do you think this person is standing on the ledge? Whose name did I mention more than 1 time, 2, 3, 4, 5 times in this short summary? Yes, Tom. Next question. Instead of using Tom's name so many times, what pronoun could I have used? So instead of saying Tom this, Tom that, Tom's quest, closes behind Tom, what could I have used? Well, in this case right here, let's see. While Tom's creeping toward the paper, let's see. We could use Tom in the first place, but then while Tom's creeping toward the paper, the window closes behind him. So him would, in this case, replace the proper noun Tom. When Tom finally gets hold of the paper, when he finally gets hold of the paper, he realizes that it's worthless. Okay, so next, that's just a quick little intro to why pronouns are used, so that way we don't just overuse proper nouns such as people's names, or when we're referencing an object, the specific name. Like a book, we might just say, give it to me. So we're going to do a quick review, and you can follow along with me in your unit on page 71. You're going to see all kinds of different parts of speech, and so go ahead and follow along with me as I go through what's most important at the moment, which is nouns. So a quick review. Nouns are words that name persons, places, things, or ideas, such as, a couple examples, Disneyland, dogs, violence, car, Nissan Altima. So just to quickly mention a couple things. Yes, these are all nouns. Maybe you remember that some nouns can be proper nouns, such as the specific name of a place. Frogs or car actually is a good example of a common noun. Okay, just that it's a thing, but Nissan Altima is a proper noun. It's a specific thing, the specific name of a car. Therefore, you'll notice that proper nouns, as in the case with Disneyland, in the case with Nissan Altima, they are capitalized. So again, nouns are words that name persons, places, things, or ideas. And with violence, for example, that would be an abstract noun, so it's not something necessarily that has a color, that has a shape that you could touch. Okay, it's an abstract idea, okay, but it's still considered a noun. Okay, we're continuing on page 72. So it says a noun, as a review, is a person, place, thing, or idea. But what is a pronoun? So you've identified a noun. We kind of did a quick intro example with that summary of the contents of A Dead Man's Pocket and how pronouns were definitely needed. So I didn't keep repeating Tom's name. But so follow along with me at point B. It says a pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun or in place of words that work together as a noun. If a writer kept using the name of a person or thing each time he or she wanted to make reference to them in a sentence, the writing would be repetitive and would read awkwardly. The most commonly used pronouns are personal pronouns. So we're going to watch a video in this video. It's kind of cool. And you're going to see how the video compares to your chart on page 72. So page 72, there's a chart with 3 columns entitled Personal Pronouns. There's singular, plural examples for the first person, second person, and third person. Bear with me. Hopefully, here we go. It came up. So let's restart that. Okay, close current tab. Alrighty, so let's jump back to the PowerPoint here. And if you followed along on your page 72, you'll notice that his columns were set up a little bit differently, but the information was the same regarding the first person. Singular, we refer to ourselves as I, me, my, or mine, and plural, we, us, our, and ours, and so forth. So hopefully you followed along, and like he said, you can rewatch that video. You can rewatch this video. We're going to do more in class. That'll be tomorrow. I'm sorry, that'll be the next class meeting where we go ahead and work on the top of page 73, where we're underlining the first person pronoun and looking for the second person pronouns and the third person pronouns. So the chart, it will be there for you to reference on page 72, so it shouldn't be a problem at all. But thank you for watching, and we'll see you in class.